Happy Mail Queen. I'm back for the project share. So one of my goals is to actually create a project with the dies that I purchase. And one of the recent purchases that I made from Tuesday morning is this Shimelle gift bag die. And I've had it for a while now, so I need to play with it. And so I did today, had an opportunity, and I'm trying to use up this stack. So once again, I used the Sparkle Magic Wow paper from Michaels. And I also used this die here that I hadn't used. I got this on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and I just absolutely love it because there's this shooting star. And I also used a couple of the small dies from the White Lotus 8-piece nesting star die, which I had gotten from Amazon. So those are the dies that I used. So let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and share with you. So the first one that I made is this one right here. Isn't it cute? I love it. So it is teeny tiny. The box measures 2 inches. This is when assembled, 2 inches by not even 3. It's like 2 7/8 of an inch. Yeah, pretty small. So you're probably wondering, what can you possibly fit in there? Well, I will show you in a minute. So for this one, I used the heart right here. Of course, I, made the box, and the closure is in the back here. There's this little slit, and so you just tuck it in, the end to close it. So I did use this banner die right here. Really cute, and it gives you a dimensional banner. I love it. And I used one of those stickers from Michaels from the $2 bin. They're the planner stickers that came with other stickers, if you guys remember. Super cute. So it says hello friend, and that's the first one I made. And then the second one is really cute. I used that shooting star die from this Memento die set here. So I used this one, and actually just this one, and it cuts out the star in the middle here. So I basically just put that back in the middle, but it's dimensional. I put it on some foam adhesive, and then again from that same word, what do you call it, stickers from the $2 bin at Michaels, I put the word wish, and it's pretty shiny here because I used foiled paper, but really cute. And then the third one I made, I used, again, that same banner, which is this one right here. And then I used the word dream. Really cute. Again, I used those leaf vine trim from Etsy, but you can get it at Hobby Lobby as well. I just, again, used the leaves only. Trimmed off the leaves, put one of these blings from Hobby Lobby, and the closure this time is in the front. And I didn't use the tuck in closure. I instead used one of my Velcro circles. So that is super cute. And then my last one, I just tried to do different colors, and I did this minty green or it's kind of a minty bluish, I don't know what color that, well, it's like a greenish blue. Anyway, I used the Lovely. I love this. This is probably my favorite out of the banner dies in this. Well, there's only 2 banner dies, but it's this one right here, and I absolutely love it. Now for the stars, I wanted a different star, like this one's the Stitch star, so that's where the White Lotus die comes in, and I just made them super simple, and I just love the way they came out. I think they came out super duper cute. So let's see what we can fit in there. Well, for this one right here, it's pretty filled, but it still closes. I put a trim die. This is not a die. Oh my gosh, did I just say that? I put a pearl trim, and I put 2 yards of it in there, and so it does fit. Okay, and that's the one, that's the trim from Joann, so you can get in a little, it doesn't come in a spool, it actually comes this way. So I was able to fit about 2 yards in there, with it still being able to fully close. But you could always add a seal if it doesn't want to close. And then for this one here, what else can we... Oh, I was able to, you know, those barrettes that I was going to use for Happy Mail. The ones from the, I guess some people found these at Dollar Tree. I found mine at Walmart. I think it was at Walmart. You can put at least 2, maybe 3 in there. Yeah, you can probably put a good 3, but 4 was a bit too much, but I wanted it paired up, so I only put 2 in there, so it fits in there with a little bit of room. You could also put, oops, how did I, oh, I'm sorry, it's the back. I was trying to open it from the other side. Candy. And I know Easter's over, but I have a few of these still, and these are delicious. I don't know if you can actually fit in, you might be able to fit a full-size Ghirardelli, because it is flatter than this. But I don't know if it's too wide maybe, but this is all I have. I don't have the other Ghirardelli right now. I think I've gifted them all away. So, but it definitely fits this one. So you can put candy in there, and then you could also put sequins. So I was able to put a nice big, well, it's not big, but it's a full sequins bag in there. So, and of course you can put anything tiny, little brads, charms, whatever you want to put in them. But they are super cute, just the cutest, you know, little box. And I'm so happy that I was able to play with the die. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. So thanks for watching, but stay tuned for more projects from me. Using my new dies, because I really, you know, have to start doing that. So they're not just sitting around in my craft room. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great weekend.